Hello, I came on here today to make a quick video real quick because there's not that many videos out there about this hoop for the PE800 embroidery machine. Yes, mine is dirty, and that is because I used the basting spray while my hoop was on the machine, and then all the little flyaways made it dirty. So yes, I do need to clean it off. I know that, but this ain't what this video is about. Okay, it's about this hat hoop. So the hat hoop fits in the 5x7 frame. As you can see, I already got it in there. Okay, if you're doing regular embroidery, use this and set it on top of there like that. But with the hat hoop, you don't need this part. Oh, I see a piece of hair. Okay, so what you do is, you get the sticky stabilizer paper. Cut out the part where your design is going to be. Then once you do that, you unscrew these, stick your hat in there, like I did, and then screw it to make it tight. And once you screw it to make it tight, you got your sticky paper. Mine already stuck down, but you find the center, where your center is, so your design can fit in the middle. Then once you do that, you start here and just smooth the line down. Just make sure it's in the center, and it's going to stick down. Okay, and then you can get some of these clips right here and clip this part down, because the little needle handle could possibly hit this part, so you clip this part down so it don't hit. So I'm gonna try to do this with one hand and show you how to put it in the machine. Okay, so you get the hat hoop, and I put it in from the back. Okay, so once you get it in the back part, it's hard doing this with one hand. You slide it over to the part that, there it goes. Slide it into the part that doesn't have anything, and just slide it in like that to its lowest point, and then slide it up under there, and there you go. And of course, you guys know you gotta clamp it on the 2 clamps, but I can't do that with one hand, so I'll be right back. Okay, so boom, now you have it clamped in there. Clamped it in there, and you make sure your center is your center. Okay, and then make sure everything is still stuck down. Then take this little clamp. Man, it's hard to do it with one hand. But let me do it off camera again, and then you'll see where I put it at. Okay, I'm back. So I clamped it right there, but you got to kind of clamp it at an angle so your needle is not going to hit that little the little metal piece right there. You don't want your needle to hit that. Alright, so once if all your settings are correct, you drop your presser foot down. Let me make sure mine is not too, there you go. Let me make sure mine is not too high. I'm gonna go about that. And this is how you check. Okay. Make sure it does. Good enough for me. So, and edit, embroidery, the tension, I'm gonna leave it about there. That's cool. Then once your green light come on, push it, and the embroidery machine gets to work. Still want to check it, you know. Make sure it's not hitting nothing. But y'all see that little arm going up and down? That's the part that I'm talking about that would hit this, as you can see. It's not doing too bad, but next time I do a video, I'm gonna clean my damn machine, because this looks so ratchet, but it is what it is. Y'all get the point. But it's how you use the hat hoop, honey. I'm using the Brother PE800 embroidery machine. That's what it looks like on the machine. But yeah, and another tip, if you do have to use baking spray, tape your hoop, and don't do it while it's on the machine, because the machine will get dirty. Yep, and this is not a dad hat neither. This is like one of those little sports hats. So this material is real thick. You don't need all that extra stabilizer. I just use the sticky paper and stabilizer, and that's it. Okay, cool. I'm glad this happened. I had a thread break. I already rethreaded it. And yeah, you do get thread breaks sometimes. And sometimes you never know what it's caused, what the cause of it is, but I know it was kind of like that sticky stuff getting on the needle, as you can see. Let me show you. Y'all see that little sticky stuff on the needle? That can cause you to have thread breaks. So try to clean that off as best as you can with a little alcohol or acetone or something. But this is how you jump back stitches, because as you can see where the thread broke at, there's no stitches. So this is how you go back. So you push this button right there. You can go back 100 stitches, 10, or 1, or you can go all the way back to the beginning. I always just really use 10 stitches at a time. And when you push that button, let me show what it do. It goes backwards. So when you feel like you went back far enough, hit the green button and it starts going again. Once it gets done, you take it off the embroidery machine. It looked like I had like 4 or 5 thread breaks. Do worse. Unscrew those too. And then you should be able to just pick the hat up out of the stabilizer. Thread breaks. And then you know you just fluff it back out and shit, but I have one hand. Hold on. Then you bend the bill a little bit. make round. Alright, so that's how you use the hat hoop. Hope that helps. Thanks